Hi, good evening, everyone. We are looking at the simultaneous equation part. This is the online math class. It's the most interactive math class online where students get a chance to learn, to interact, and do well. So we are at the point where we are doing the simultaneous equation. I'm going to look at the first one. So I'm going to ask everybody questions. Please be on your P's and Q's. So this is called equation 1. That's how you write it. And this is called equation 2. How many unknowns do we have, Daniel? Daniel, how many unknowns do we have? Where's Daniel? Deshaun, how many unknowns do we have that we don't know of? It's 9x plus 7y equals 10. But we don't have all the information there. We have something called unknowns, Deshaun. Somebody tell me, what are the unknowns? Can't wait.
X and Y, sir.
X and Y are called the unknowns. What are they called, Deshaun?
The unknowns.
Unknowns. The X and Y are called unknown, and that's what we want to find. Now, Jalea, because I have to, before I start, Jalea, you made a little mistake when you was doing this. Now, CXC requires that we learn simultaneous equation. And there are 3 methods in learning to solve. You could solve it by the matrix method. You could solve it by the substitution method. And that is what Jalea gave me. I'm not really going to teach. I'm not teaching that now because that only comes in section 2. Right? So I'm not teaching that now. These 2 comes in section 2. In section 1, it is the elimination method that you are learning. So when we say the elimination method, we are talking about eliminating one of the unknown. So the first step in solving a simultaneous equation is to eliminate one of your unknown. Jaden, what did I say? People, you have to be on your P's and Q's now because I'm calling you. So Jaden, you have to know what?
Online here is the eliminator. I didn't hear you say before that.
Right. So that's why I'm calling everybody now. You have to be able to eliminate your unknown. Jasia, what are the unknowns? Who says? Huh? Garcia. Garcia, what are the unknowns?
X and Y.
X and
Y.
And Y. And in this method, in section 1, we have to do what to one of the unknowns?
Eliminate.
And let me, Jasia, how do you eliminate an unknown? By, you were in the class on Tuesday. How do we eliminate an unknown? I'm coming back to Daniel, and I'm going to ask Jamelia, how do we eliminate one of the unknown? That question goes to who?
Put 9x over 3x and
Sorry,
eliminate.
Daniel?
Put 9x over 3x and eliminate.
No. No,
Say
no,
you
but
multiply equation 1 by equation 2.
that's not Daniel's voice. But oh, that's Daniel, definite brother. No, we are going to tell somebody else. Tell me, somebody before I say it. Anybody, open your mic. How are we going to eliminate one of the unknowns? Yes, Jedi, dear.
So, equation 1 multiplied by 2.
Now, why are you doing that? Why? Yes, you could do that, but why are you going to do that? To make something the same. I'm giving a lot of hint. To make something the same, that's how you eliminate. What are you making the same? Some not people, we went through
So
this
you're making the
last.
first equation the same?
You're making
The first equation the same?
you're close, you're close. You have equation 1 and equation 2. What do we want the same? Let me hear if Shauna, what do we want the same? Shauna. Yeah, Shauna? Come on, man, try something. Try something. And don't talk too soft. Talk loud in the mic. What do we want the same? All I have the idea, but they're not giving it to me correctly. Jadon, you remember what I had said on Tuesday? What
So
you
the
making?
coefficient number must be the
I don't
same?
remember all the
Which
study when it comes.
coefficients? Give me more, Jadon. You're on the right track.
And let's take it down, this one.
Oh, you looking for your answer, man. Jacob, tell them. This is Jacob real firing. Yeah,
So the
Jacob.
Y,
Huh?
the Y,
It could be the Y.
Now
Yeah.
the coefficient in front of the letter.
The coefficient is the numbers in front of the unknowns. You have to make them the same. So you either make the numbers in front, the y's in equation 1 and in equation 2 the same, or comparison, you are making the numbers in front of the x's or in front of the y's the same. All right, Jedidiah? So, Jedidiah, you were kind of correct, but you jumped the gun. Nicholas Mars, we are making the numbers in front of either the y's the same. So what would be the numbers, Jeremiah, in front of the y's that we want the same? Sir, Jeremiah, what would the numbers be that we want the same? Jeremiah. Anybody, somebody tell me.
sure.
So
Yes,
7,
7.
and
Yes,
we'll
7,
multiply throughout by 7.
right. So you would, if you have, once you have them the same, Joshua, you can eliminate them, because if you have 5 and 5, you could subtract, right? Once you have the numbers the same. So hear this question now, people. I think this will make you all real smart. If I wanted to eliminate the x's, how would I have done that to make the numbers the same? Vion, anybody?
multiply the 3 by 3.
Who said that?
Daniel,
Daniel, you're not easy. Go to the front of the class. So if I multiply the 3 by 3, I will now make the x's the same. and I just subtract it, and that is the answer. People, that is what simultaneous equation is all about, the elimination method. It's that easy. It's that easy. So you either eliminate the X or you eliminate the Y. You decide. It doesn't matter which one. What a maths teacher will tell you is that we are going to eliminate the easiest one first, which would be, it doesn't have anyone easier because I could multiply equation 2 by 3. Or I could multiply equation 2 by 7. It doesn't matter, people. That is what the elimination method is all about. That is what they're going to bring for CXC, and it's that easy. All right, so here what I'm going to do. I'm going to eliminate, because we just have 15 minutes left. We are going to eliminate this one first. All right. I'm supposed to give you a note, right? I think I'll send the note in the chat because the steps, the simultaneous equation. Number 1, 2 unknowns. Number 2, eliminating either one of the unknowns by making the coefficients the same, the numbers in front. So, people, if I'm eliminating Y, how do I do that? Somebody open their mic. Say it again.
By divided.
No, you
Say
never
multiply
divide.
by 7.
Multiply.
Multiplying what by what for Sarah?
7 by 1.
Equation 2, multiply by
7.
7. It's that easy. So here, let me go. There we go. 3 times 7. Y by 7 and 2 by 7. So this is equation 3. So people, now I am going to block off. For now, I'm going to block off this. Let me block this off. Hold on. I'm blocking off equation 2. All right, it's there, but I just blocked it off in white. Good. So now I have this equation here. All right, just now, hold on. Oops, that's not. Right, so I can't carry too much in the white. All right, so, oh, loss. All right, well, the objective is to just have them the same, all right? So, now that they are the same, let's see. I just want, this is plus and plus. So here the question I have, people. How do I get rid of the Y? Do I add them together or do I subtract them? Now, if you say subtract, which is the correct answer, you have to subtract everything. So you cannot just, in math, if you're doing one thing, you have to subtract for everything else. So it's 10 minus 14 and 9 minus 21. 9x minus 21x is how much? Somebody tell me. 9x minus 21x is how much?
Negative 12x.
Negative 12x. Everybody agree with that? Anybody lost? Now 7y minus 7y is 0. So forget about that. Now, what is 10 minus 14? Somebody.
-4.
-4.
All right. Good. Good. Jalea, what are we doing from now on? Jalea, how do I find for x? Who is Jamelia?
Going to move it
Oh,
on
go
the
ahead, Jalea. Sorry. Go ahead. Go
so you're
ahead,
going
Jalea.
to divide 4 by
No,
3
wait. Careful. You're dividing by?
by 3
No. Watch it there. It's there. What am I dividing by?
by 4.
Not by 4. Watch what is in front of the x, people. That tells you, Vion, Joshua, Jenny, what we are going to divide by. So, who I didn't ask any night. Johansi, what we dividing by? I want to find for x, Johansi. So I'm dividing by?
-12, sir.
Very good. Go to the head of the class. We are dividing by -12. People, please remember what is in front of your x will determine what you're going to divide by, people. That is real simple. What is in front of your x will tell you what you're dividing by. Because this and this will cancel. X is equal to, Tyrese, x is equal to? Joshua, tell them.
Sir, 1/3.
1/3. Thank you. Thank you. It's 1/3. Beautiful. So, now that we know what x is, we want to find out what y is. So here what we're doing, people. Here what we're going to do. We're going to substitute SUBT for sure. Substitute a value of x equals to a third in equation. What equation to use? Somebody tell me. Because it doesn't matter. Which equation to use? Somebody
So
talk.
1.
1. All right. So let me go with 1.
Equation 1, sir.
All right. So let me go with 1. So we substituting in equation 1. So I'm going to write my equation 1, which is 9x plus 7y equals 10. It means wherever I see x on, I'm going to put 9 times a third plus 7y equals 10. So my question now, let me see, my question to Carrison. Carrison, 9 multiplied by a third is how much? 9 multiplied by a third. How much is that?
27.
Carrison. 9 multiplied by a third, Carrison. Carrison, 9 multiplied by a third.
So 9 multiplied by 2 is what I say?
Yeah.
3.
How much?
3.
Are you talking soft, so?
So I said 3, sir.
Right, that is right, man. Talk loud. 3. Good. Talk like you have life. Deshaun, what do I do next? I have 3 plus 7y equals 10. Hurry up, Deshaun. Tell the class, what are we doing next, Deshaun? Hold on. What are we doing next, Deshaun? Where Deshaun? Deshaun gone? Deshaun gone and leave the class, yes? Or either he fall asleep. We have 5 minutes more. We have 5 minutes more. Vion, Vion, you have 3 plus 7y equals 10. What's the next step in solving for y? Vion, what do we do next?
You put 3 on the other side of the equal
Thank you.
sign,
Thank you. Just now.
and the sign
Just now.
changes.
So it becomes -3. So you have 7y equals to 7. Good. Thank you, Vion. So, who I didn't call, boy? Shauna. So y is equal to what? Shauna.
1.
Very good, very good. Because we're dividing by what, Shauna?
Just 7 into 7.
That is right. Go to the head of the class. So 7 into 7, 1. Leave me with y. 7 into 7, 1. So y is equal to 1. Everybody okay with that? So people, do you think you could do the other 2 questions for homework? So we meet on Monday at 4:30. Monday at 4:30, right? I am giving 4 more questions, simultaneous equation this time. So we're going to meet on Monday. I'm going to give you the other 4. I'll send it in the chat shortly. And we're going to meet on Monday